Olivia Knighton, the daughter of longtime former MLS goalie Brad Knighton, died following a boating accident in South Carolina. She was 11 years old. The Horry County Coroner's Office said that Knighton was in an accident near Little River, an intracoastal waterway, and died after she was transported to McLeod Seacoast Hospital on Wednesday, according to Boston.com. The South Carolina Department of Natural Resources wrote in a Twitter thread that a 23-foot boat was carrying 12 people. Olivia Knighton, daughter of former MLS goalie Brad Knighton, died in a boating accident in South Carolina. Instagram Brad Knighton. Olivia Knighton is survived by her father, mother and two brothers. Instagram Brad Knighton. After the vessel was struck by a wave caused by another boat, 9 of the 12 passengers went overboard. An 11-year-old girl, later identified as Olivia Knighton, was struck by a propeller after falling overboard, the agency continued. The agency said that the circumstances of the accident remain under investigation. Brad Knighton, 38, posted a tribute to his daughter on Instagram, signed by himself, his wife Brittany, and their sons, Owen and Brooks.